What's up everyone, this is Apostolos from Candy Masters, and let's take a quick look about how you can use our amazing infographic inside After Effects and save a lot of time. In order to do that, I will jump into our website and I will go into the After Effects templates. Then I will choose the categories and I will go with infographics. You can preview anything without losing time. I'll go with this one, and because I have a license, I just can click into this icon and have the item in a couple of seconds into my machine. Now inside After Effects, there is always a preview composition to see what's going on. In this case, there are different resolutions for this one. That saves a lot of time if you want to go for social media or something else. For now, I'll go with the typical HD, and inside the composition you can adjust anything. I'll start with the title. I will go with Candy Masters and create our image. And to adjust the colors, you can go into the control panel. I will go with the background and let's say, and then you can adjust also the color of the text. In case you want to have different colors on text, you can go into the Candy Master, let's say, and I will uncheck the effect. And now from the properties, I can adjust the color of the text. I'll go with that ugly green. Now the cool part is that you can adjust also the values of every single bar, but with affecting the bar. That's a cool thing, and without affecting the animation. So the animation still remains the same, and you can adjust everything without the animation or anything else into the scene. Also, another feature is that you can adjust the duration of the entire scene. Let's say that you have already created an edit. I'll create a comment, name that main edit, and I'll drag and drop our infographic inside that edit. And by dragging the outro, you can adjust the duration of this without affecting the animation inside those areas. So you can affect only the intro and the outro of that thing. That's all. If you have any questions, you can drop a comment below.